So what's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you guys how we saw NQ do a nice big drop, as you see right here. If you saw actually in the very beginning of the video, I swear this was at the morning. I went about my day. Today's the next morning, so I'm going to break that down for you guys actually, and I'm going to show you guys. I hope you guys catch this video. If you guys don't, it's your loss, because there's going to be some gems in here. I'm going to show you guys what happens when the trade doesn't go according to plan, and what do you do with these ICT concepts after. So going into the trading session, right, what do we have here? I'm looking at price, and it is extremely bullish. We're going to make this quick. Extremely bullish. When price is extremely bullish, you know I want to catch that next move, and I do that via order blocks or via fair value gaps. In this instance, we have this fair value gap. We have an area of buy side liquidity all the way up here. So meaning I'm going to target this level all the way up here. Right, I'm going to target this level all the way up here. And by the way, you can fact check this. You can go in the very beginning of the video. There's no bar replay. We had this position set up, and we took advantage of that. Right now that we see this, I'm going on to the lower time frames, and I'm going to set, if price reverses, where am I going to go? I'm going to set my area of targets with the sell side liquidity level right here. Again, these are all ICT guys that I have learned. Now, my main priority is to go with the trend, right? I want price to retest this level and continue to go along. But as we open up, right, I'm going to show you guys, that's 2 a.m. As we open up right here, this is 10 p.m. Okay, this is 10 p.m. right here. This is session. Going into session, I wake up and I go, oh, we completely disrespected this fair value gap. When I see something like this, I know for a fact we're most likely not gonna go the way we thought we were gonna go, especially because on top of that, we're taking out right the previous daily high. You can see right here, we took out previous daily high and we flipped and disrespected this fair value gap. I'm not looking for any longs anymore. All right, not looking for any more longs. So again, we're gonna go to 10 p.m., which is gonna be right here. Oops, a little too much. We're gonna go to 10 p.m., which is right here. Okay, we have a 4-hour fair value gap. We're actually going to mark this off as a 4-hour fair value gap. We have a 1-hour fair value gap right here, even though I don't think price is going to retest this level all the way. And what I'm going to wait for is for actually price to come up here, and then we're going to wait for price to actually drop. So once price reaches our area of interest, right, which is actually all the way up here, price reaches our area of interest, we're going on to the lower time frames. Okay, we're going to go down to the lower time frames. Give me a second. Go down to the lower time frames right here. Okay, and technically we hit area interest 1, area interest 2. At this point, all I'm waiting for is for price to clear both fair value gaps to look to take my entry after that, right? So we're gonna look, price starts to break under. I'm actually gonna set it above this market structure shift all the way up here, just to be safe. Hopefully we don't get stopped out, right? And let's see what happens. And price completely drops, literally just like that. Easy peasy, guys. You can't overthink it. This is a simple breakdown and making it nice and fast. This is kind of a perfect scenario of what do you do when price doesn't go your way, right? We thought we were going to go long, and we actually end up having to change our bias when we woke up in the morning when we saw that disrespect. So beautiful trade that we're able to capitalize on, a 3.5 to 1, almost 3.5 to 1. I over leveraged a little bit to make it 3.5. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Deuces.